Since the early development of biological microbials and plant extracts, we've been part of the industry's growth. We are Certis. We began as an innovator focused on developing new bio-based solutions to solve grower challenges, generate new sustainable crop protection innovation, and improve existing manufacturing processes to meet the market's ever-evolving needs. With innovation at the forefront, we listened to our customers' needs and grew to become the leader in manufacturing and marketing of bio-based solutions in commercial agriculture and the home and garden markets, with sales in over 50 countries. 20 years later, we're still here, the leader in biological solutions. Trusted, innovative, forward-thinking. Join us to see how we've grown together. Prepping the soil. Before we were Certis, our seeds were planted within the development of BT Biologicals at a state-of-the-art facility in Wasco, California, 1940s to 1950s. Production begins with Thuricide, the first BT product registered in the US. 1980s, the development of clean tech technology. Growers now have a clean seed process that produces sugarcane free of systemic diseases that impact production. 1990s, the formation of Thermo-Trilogy and the acquisition of neem technologies, as well as the acquisition of baculovirus products from Biosis and BT bioinsecticide products from Novartis. 2000, Thermo-Trilogy leadership helps form Biological Products Industry Alliance, the leading voice for biologicals in the industry. Taking root. The seeds of Certis begin taking root as partnerships form within the industry, and we continue to push the boundaries of what's technologically possible within the agriculture industry. 2000s. Mitsui & Co. acquires Thermo-Trilogy, announcing the birth of Certis USA, which acquires additional BT products from Ecogen. 2010s. Certis partners with German-based Neudorf to expand its portfolio of products. Other highlights include the acquisition of a solid fermentation production facility, the development of the first product utilizing bacteriophages to combat resistance and other agricultural concerns, and the launch of a new azadirachtin formulation and packaging facility in Wasco, California, allowing us to produce the highest quality biopesticides. Continued growth. As the use of biologicals in organic and conventional agriculture grows, Certis continues to thrive in developing new technologies, finding innovative ways to combat pests to protect crops, and lead the industry as a whole. 2020. Certis products are exported to and distributed in 50 countries across the globe, and visionary Certis president and CEO Zhao Li Su transitions from his position after 20 years for Amy O'Shea to step into leadership of Certis. 2021. Certis celebrates a 20-year milestone as a wholly owned subsidiary of Mitsui & Co. Future harvest. We are committed to leadership in the industry, sustainability, global expansion, advancements in technology, and new product development. How did we get here? Through visionary leadership, collaboration with trusted partners, and the ability to bring innovative, sustainable solutions to meet grower needs. We are here to protect, grow, and thrive. We are leading the future of biologicals. Announcing Certis Biologicals, our commitment to push boundaries, our relentless ability to go beyond the status quo, and our compassion to help growers produce healthy, safe, and fruitful crops each harvest makes us who we are. We are not limited by the barriers of time, location, or resources. Certis is going global. Now, we are Certis Biologicals, born with a broader focus to bring biological leadership and solutions to growers in countries across the globe. We didn't invent biologicals. We made them what they are today. Join us as we continue to lead and grow.